Okay, I just in my hand, you can see here, this is a two-layer hydraulic hoses. If after the crimping job, you can see this is the hose assembly you may get. You can see here, this is the ferrules and this is the insert. And before the hose crimping job, this is like this way. You can see here, this is the hydraulic hose, and this is the fittings, and this is the ferrules. Some customers may call these couplings. Some other customers may call these sleeves. All of them are okay. So you can see here, this is how to make the hose assembly. Just make it this way. You can see here, this is the ferrules. Put it into this way, and then the fittings here. After that, you choose you need here. So you need to choose the suitable fittings and the suitable ferrules in the correct size. After that, like this way, it put it into the height of the machine and press the green button, the other correct buttons. Then the crimping job is doing. After that, you will get the hose assembly like this way.